Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Cost and revenues. We are going to discuss the basic concepts and summary of the chapter cost and revenues. This summary will be very effective for the students for objective based tests like MCQs and short questions. Cost and revenues topic from Principles of Economics. Cost, revenues and profit. Minimization of cost, maximization of revenue and profits. Cost or total cost refers to all types of the expenses and expenditures which are faced during the production of goods and services. Total cost is the sum of fixed cost and variable costs. Total cost is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. The cost function is the functional relationship between production and cost. Accordingly, cost is the function of x. According to F. Benham, fixed costs of a firm are those costs that do not vary with the size of output. Fixed cost is equal to total cost minus variable cost. According to F. Benham, variable costs of a firm are those costs that do vary with the size of its output. Variable cost is equal to total cost minus fixed cost. Average fixed cost is obtained by dividing total fixed cost by the total units produced. Average variable cost is defined as the total variable cost divided by the units of output. Average cost is obtained by dividing total cost with the units produced. It is also the sum of average fixed cost and average variable cost. Accordingly, average total cost ATC is equal to average fixed cost AFC plus average variable cost AVC. Marginal cost is the net change in total cost due to change in next unit of production. MC is equal to change in total cost divided by change in unit produced or next unit. Slope of fixed cost is horizontal, parallel to x-axis. Slope of total and variable cost is like inverse S-shaped. Slope of average fixed cost is rectangular hyperbola, convex to the origin like type. Slope of AVC, AC and MC are like U-shaped. Long run cost curves are like a saucer type while short run cost curves are like U-shaped. The total cost is equal to total variable cost only because there is no concept of fixed cost in the long run. Long run total cost is equal to long run total variable cost, not plus long run total fixed cost. Long run average cost curve is the envelope of short run average cost curves, but long run marginal cost curve is not the envelope of short run marginal cost curves. Long run marginal cost is equal to long run average cost is equal to Long run average cost curve is called envelope and planning curve because each point of LAC long run average cost curve is a point obtained by the matching of minimum points of short run average cost curves. Implicit cost is the cost associated with the use of the firm's own resources and reflects the fact that these resources could be employed to some other place. Explicit cost is that cost which shows transactions between firm and other parties. It is cost which is paid for the hired factors. Opportunity cost means that what has to be given up to obtain more of some other things. It is the opportunity which is foregone in the choice of one expenditure over other. Total revenue is the total amount received in exchange of goods and services. It is equal to price time quantity sold. Total revenue is equal to TR P price into quantity sold Q. A functional relationship between total revenue and quantity sold is called by a revenue function, like TR is the function of Q. Average revenue is the average of total revenue. It is equal to the price. Average revenue is obtained by dividing total revenue with the quantity sold. Marginal revenue is the net change in total revenue due to the sold of the next unit of commodity. Under perfect competition, average revenue, marginal revenue, demand and price all are equal to each other. All have horizontal slope parallel to x-axis. There is a double difference between AR and MR under monopoly and monopolistic competition or imperfect competition. AR and M are negatively sloped and less elastic in case of monopoly, and these are more elastic in case of monopolistic competition. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.